All right, so the card is completely dry. It actually took probably about 7-8 hours for that to totally dry. The Glossy Accents itself was dry quite a bit sooner, but that spot of stickles that I put in the center, that took a lot longer to dry. So last step on this card is to add a sentiment. And once again, I'm using my stamp positioner because, again, after all this work, we, not once again, this is the first card. After all of this work, it would be very disappointing to miss stamp and not be able to position our stamp in order to get that better. So I'm inking my stamp, and this way, if by chance something doesn't stamp perfectly, I can re-ink it and stamp it again. This one stamped absolutely perfect, so we are good there. And there we go, our completed card. So this one here actually is a little bit off on the side there. So I'm just gonna show you how to fix that. You could use the scissors, but it's actually the back of the card that's just a little bit long compared to the front part. So I'm getting my trimmer out. I'm just going to trim like it's not even 1/8 of an inch, I don't think. It's just a touch on the side there. There we go, that's better. So there we go, our completed card. We'll see you in the next one.